Okay, I've arrived at the 1023 Griggs Street in Danville, Illinois. And the place, I've already made a couple of videos here. So I'm looking at the neighborhood. It looks okay. There's no violent gangs roving around demanding tolls for people to stand or walk around. This is the main building of the former company, which probably made some serious stuff during and after the war. And here's, if I buy this place, this will be Julie's house. Julie will have this nice little house all to herself, and she can live happily ever after. She's got the big board to write on here with chalk. She can get the air conditioning unit here fixed if she wants. She's got the bed here already, and clothes, spare clothes, a pillow. What more could you want for? Maybe clear out a little bit of the dead branches. Plant a real tree in there. I'm only kidding, it's the guard shack. Hey, look, a human. So the way it looks, oops, sorry. The way it looks, yeah, you've got this building, and 2 or 3 others that Haley Seaford says need to be torn down or spent $1 million to fix up. And she's not calling, so I don't know what's going on with her. Maybe she thinks I'm a weirdo who doesn't rate any time from her, which, I could understand that. But what does she know? I could win the lotto tomorrow, and then she'd be screaming. But this looks halfway decent. I've looked at the 611 Douglas Street house, and it's a really big place. I mean, it's a mansion, but it's nothing in size compared to this. But probably more than twice the size of the house I had in Wakanda, Williams Park. So plenty of room. The only thing I couldn't get in because of Haley not even calling back. So I did accomplish something today. I got some of my junk in storage down here in Danville, and it took up only a little tiny spot in the storage room. It was mostly just my old computers. I should turn this on. It's getting stuffy in here. Hey, look, there's another human way over there in the bicycle. The car is running well. It's getting like 26 miles per gallon, probably more than that. I mean, it's usually saying like over 30. But then, because of slowdowns and all that over the whole trip, it was at 25.4 and creeping up. And then I think all the junk that was filling up the back here, I pretty much had it filled up with my old TVs and computers and stuff. The drawers from my old desk on Oak Street in Williams Park, and just things like that. But it was heavy enough to make the rear tires squishy looking, so I must have had him blathering on about mileage here like a little baby girly man. I bet you I've had my thumb on the microphone this whole time making this garbage. So anyway, let me pull it around to the front. think the end of the property is the end of that building there, and then this is a different property, but I'm not 100% sure about that because I don't know how big the 3/4 of an acre is. But I'm presuming here that that yellow building you see back there, that's the end of the Griggs Street, 13 Griggs Street address. Anyway, I guess since I'm not getting called back from Haley, she doesn't plan on calling back. She thinks I'm just a loser. I mean, that's what all the evidence points to, isn't it? Hey. Okay, I'm going to, hey, look, more people going by. It's like this place is populated or something. Hey, when did I get away from the Schwarzenegger? I've gone into, generic European. All right, good day.
Alright, let's go back, and might as well just put these other shorter videos on here too.
Captain's log 8232024. I've arrived at the 1023 Griggs Street address. I'm sitting next to Julie's room here. Oh, I'm looking the wrong way. I've got the camera facing me now, so it's this way. In my previous video, I explained that the little guardhouse here is going to be Julie's room. Julie's little house. I make a joke. Okay, the guy make a joke. Okay, don't kill him for that. But anyway, let me put the camera the right way now. Damn it. Yeah, I should do voice here. Let's do Arnold. Okay, the neighborhood here looks pretty good. There's not a bunch of people living around, wandering around. I'm afraid to close the door. No, I'm afraid to close the door in case it just locks all by itself. So I will take the keys out and tell you that this is the place I was going to see today, but Haley Seifert is not calling me back. Maybe she thinks I'm some sort of weirdo or something. Yeah, that air conditioning unit, Julie. Oh, I'm still looking at myself, damn it. Damn.
All right. And now here's another one. Let's see if I got this one right. What the hell? Oh, I think this is just a picture. Anyway, I'm doing this because I couldn't get the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth or this or that to pairing. It just didn't work. You remember the old days when you would just plug something in? And I even tried that. I even tried plugging it in, and still, it was like it wasn't even plugged in. Anyway, I'm just griping now.